Nimisha. Welcome back to my channel Nimisha's Lively Lifestyle. For those who are new, please do hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so that you get a notification as soon as I upload a new video. In my today's video, I am going to unbox my first ever DSLR camera, that is Canon 200D Mark II. So this is my Canon 200D Mark II, which I recently purchased from Amazon. Actually, I have already done the unboxing because I was very excited to see the camera. Just to show you all, I have again repacked all the contents. So I will show you one by one everything. Also, I received this bag free with this camera. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. This is the package that I received from Amazon of Canon EOS 200D Mark II, which comes with a kit lens of EFS 18-55mm. It has 1+1, that is 2 years of extended warranty. This is my first camera that I exclusively purchased for making YouTube videos. It has a 16GB card inside which comes free, 24.1 megapixel CMOS, ISO of 25600 and 12800, dual pixel autofocus. You can take videos in 4K. It has vari-angle LCD and also connectivity of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The price on the box of this camera is 52,995, but I got this one for 51,900 as there were some offers on Amazon. And also I purchased this camera just with the kit lens and not with the additional lens. With additional lens, the camera would come around 57,000. Moving to the contents of the box. The box contains digital camera EOS 200D Mark II, zoom lens of EF S18-55mm, strap, battery charger and a battery pack. Without wasting much time, let's begin the unboxing. First thing what you will find when you open the box is the user manual. As I am very new to DSLR, I will read the entire user manual so that I get to use this camera. Second thing what you will see is the warranty card. Next one is the battery, which is 7.2 volt battery. You can click around 1000 pictures at once. Next one is the charger to charge the battery. Since it's new, the battery should be charged first. It comes with a LED light to indicate the charging status if orange or green. You can see the charging status here. Next to it is the slot to place the battery. You can easily fix it with the indications given in it. Here is the power cable or cord for the charger. You can connect this to the charger to charge your battery with the help of direct power supply. Moving to the next item, that is a strap which is given by Canon, which can be attached to the camera, making it travel friendly. This strap seems to be of very good quality. Next is the SD card, which is given free by Canon. This is a 16GB card. You can always change the SD card as per your requirement. Moving to the next, that is the kit lens which comes with the camera. As of now, I did not purchase an additional lens as I feel this one would be more than enough for taking my YouTube videos. I would upgrade to a better one if required. This kit lens is of EFS 18-55mm. You can adjust the lens from 18mm to 55mm as per your requirement. It comes with a Canon cover for lens protection. I feel this lens would be good enough for taking good photographs and videos. Finally, let's open the main body of Canon EOS 200D Mark II. This camera has a very classy look and also have a very good finishing too. I am happy that I chose this camera, really excited to start using this one. It has a very good grip, you can hold it this way and it is light in weight and comfortable to use. The model number is mentioned here, that is EOS 200D Mark II. As I already told you, this is very lightweight camera, you will definitely love it. Coming to the switches, this is the button for clicking images. This button is for removing the lens, and if you open this cap, you can see the place to insert the lens. I will be showing it to you later in this video. This is the on, off and video button. There is a separate option for video also. This is ISO, and DISP option. These are different modes you can select as per your requirement, manual or automatic. This is the button for scrolling through the options. This is the flash. These are the hooks wherein you can attach the Canon strap. Coming to this side of the camera, first one is the menu button, then comes info. This is the viewfinder wherein you can view and click the pictures. There is option for plus minus. There is separate option to start and stop the video. Now comes the button for zoom in and zoom out. This is the button for AV with exposure compensation with plus minus signs. This is where you can select the options. You can even scroll up, down, left or right. Then comes the delete option and lastly the play button. Moving to the key feature of this camera, that is the flip screen. You can flip the screen as per your convenience. You can take vlogs and click selfies very easily. Now coming to the bottom side of the camera, wherein you can insert the battery and memory card. I will show it to you later in this video. This is the place where you can connect HDMI cable and digital terminal. Here you can insert the external mic if you are taking any videos, also with remote control terminal. There is a separate option for mounting the camera on the tripod. Now let's fix the battery and memory card in the slot. First I am taking the battery and I am inserting it in this slot given like this, and gently press it. Battery will automatically get locked. Now I am inserting the memory card. Fix it gently by a press into the slot. Now let's close it and move on to fixing the lens. Now let's fix the lens to the camera. Check the white mark on the lens which has to be matched to the white mark on the camera. Then place it and rotate the lens till it gets fixed to the camera. You can open the lens cover this way. Now let's switch on the camera and see some basic features. I am flipping the screen like this so that you can get a better view of the settings. Now let's change the mode one by one. First one is the shutter priority mode, which is denoted as TV. Next one is the aperture priority, that is AV. Then comes the manual mode, that is denoted as M. Next comes the creative filters. Then comes the special scene, wherein you can select the shooting modes. Then comes the automatic, where all the parameters will be decided by the camera itself. And the last one is the program mode, which gives a greater control over automatic. I feel this is one of the best camera below 60,000 and a good pick for YouTubers, as you can film your own videos due to the flip screen feature. I have tried giving a basic overview of this camera. I am very excited to use this one. I hope you all enjoyed my today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon so that you get a notification as soon as I upload a new video. To know me more, do follow me on my Instagram page, Nimisha's Lively Lifestyle. That's all for today. I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, this is Nimisha signing off. Bye.